Okay, so progressing with the ZXR, not the ZXR, the ZX12R. So been working constantly on it for a couple of weeks now. Nothing major. Yeah, the tires are punctured, and because it's been sat for several years. Yeah, just the normal bits and pieces when you're putting the bike back on the road. But it's been hot work. So let's just show you. Okay, so the wheels, I've just had the wheels painted and the graphics put on them. And then this morning they had tires, Continental, road attack, because they didn't have any sport attack, but that's fine. So, however, the big debate was the tire size. I went on to lots of the owners' sites, and it's about a 60-40 split. 60 run 55 tires, 190 55s, and the others run the 200s, which is the standard size. Either 50 or 55s. Owing to a shortage of suitable tires, I ended up going with, as I say, the Conti Road Attack, but I went with the 55s, which meant the hugger is on there at the moment, but it's about to go off for hydro dipping. It's an old fiberglass one, but it looks okay. There's paint missing. It's been painted and it's bits coming off. So the reason it's fitted is because I couldn't get clearance from the 55 tire. So what I had to do was jack up the hugger slightly to give me clearance for the tire. But now I'll take it off and get it hydro dipped, or maybe metallic black painted. I haven't decided yet. The rear is away because it's having some scratches done, repainted, and also the lugs that fit in here are snapped off, so we're having those repaired and new lugs put on. The side panels here, which are missing, they're away getting hydro dipped. They should be ready this week, I hope. So it's coming along. I've got a slight problem. The FI light is on permanently. It wasn't before, but it's come on now. So I'm going to get that reset. And also it chokes up a bit when it's ticking over 1,000. If you whack the throttle open, it chokes. However, if you do it above 2,000 above, it's fine. It's just. So I'm going to get that sorted, well, I hope this week. I hope this week. So there she is, the 12R. Soon to join the ZZR and the 14 in my holy trinity. She's coming along. Okay guys, so, hands in the way. So, good. It's all coming on. Just getting bits and pieces. Just buying bits and pieces coming in. But I hope to have the first video of this thing on the road next week. I truly hope. All being equal, should be. Okay guys, ciao.